G'day, it's Mark and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm back at Brian's. I've got my Ford F250 in for Brian to do some work on it. That'll be a separate video, but I'm going to check out Brian's 1970 Plymouth Fury GT Coupe. How cool is this? It's actually a Sport Fury, just to be exactly accurate. Beautiful car. It's got the gator grain vinyl roof. Look at that. Like an alligator. Love that. It's got the rally wheels. Also got this very cool little stripe, like a strobe stripe. The GT badge is there. 440 V8. Beautiful interior. And it's got these really nice, I'm a big sucker for concealed headlights. It's got this very nice front end with these concealed headlights. Beautiful looking car. And the man that built it, oh, here he is.
Man of the hour.
Man of the hour, Brian. And the good news is, Brian, you've been getting a few subscribers to your channel, Brian's Roadrunner Garage, is it right?
Definitely helped having you.
Yeah, give you a little promo there.
Yep.
Always happy to share the love around.
Need all the help I can get.
But I'll ask you more about this car a bit later. We're going to grab some lunch, but I haven't been in this car yet, so I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, let's go for a spin.
All right. Brian's used to parking these cars. Sounds good. That's beautiful, isn't it? That is one beautiful looking car. Gee, it sounds good. Brian's still got his panel van here. Check out that episode on Brian's panel van. Lost for 30 years and now he's got it back and he's going to return it to its former glory. In its beautiful, I think it's burnt orange is the name of the colour. Very nice. If you check out the tail lights here on the XC panel van, it's actually very similar, copied off the American Ranchero. Very nice. I love the interior, the two-tone green. That looks very good.
Yeah.
This is a 440, isn't it, Brian?
Yep.
Okay. Grab the seat. Grab the belt. I've never been in this car.
It's lovely to drive.
The C-bodies are always good, aren't they?
Yeah.
Nice view over the bonnet, the fuselage body design. Elwood Engel is the designer at Chrysler, in charge of styling. Come from Ford, actually had done the early 61 Lincoln, amongst other vehicles. And yeah, very good designer. It's got a bit of a delay here with the forklift.
Yeah.
He's on the phone to Blake, talking to his wife or something, his girlfriend, or both. You like this car, Brian?
It's one of my favourites, mate.
Yeah, love to. Nice to drive.
A long time coming. I actually off and on look for it over a 10-year period.
Yeah, I remember then you had it up. You had it up on this hoist for a long time as a to-do project.
A 10-year period to find it, and it took me 8 years before I got to it.
Yeah.
Too many other cars.
Yeah, yeah. But
And,
it's beautiful.
I saw one of these for sale. Got to be, like nearly 20 years ago.
Right.
Actually, longer than that. Actually, always wanted to get one.
Yeah.
You have to know your models. Chrysers vary quite a bit.
Yes.
This is actually a Sport Fury GT, which they
Yeah.
made 666 of.
Wow.
The one that I saw all those years ago for sale was actually an S23, which is the model before that.
Right. It goes well, and the body feels nice and tight too, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Really nice tight
It's really
body.
firm.
Yeah.
No rattles.
Yeah, yeah. It's really nice. Beautiful.
It's like the draw off and how they come out like that. Anyway, yeah. So that car gave me the inspiration of wanting one.
Yes.
But it took me a long time to find it.
Yeah. Well, they're very rare. Like I said, if they only built 666,
Yeah.
and then the survival rate would be pretty low.
Well, a lot of them, they just pull the motors out because they had the good 440 in them.
Put them in a muscle car.
They put them in muscle cars,
Yeah.
so they just kept getting taken all the time.
Yeah.
And now they've got a bit of a following, obviously, because there's not many left. So there's
Yeah.
actually websites dedicated just to the Sport Fury GT only. And
It's very clean design, isn't it? Very, very clean.
But the outside for me, I mean, I like the interior, but it looks like a muscle car, even though it's a full-size car. It's got really good lines.
But very clean, isn't it? Like there's no kind of extraneous bits on the body design. It's very smooth and
a car that you need to look at, I reckon.
Yeah.
It's got to be put this person at a distance, you know, because they're too big.
Yeah. That's got good pickup. What a cool car! Beautiful, so comfortable as well, and so tight and smooth. You know,
it's
like you said, no rattles.
It drives really nice.
Yeah, no rattles at all, and just very nice and smooth. Nice gearbox, and I love the green on green on green on green on green.
Yeah, you don't like green, you won't.
No, but we both love green. Favorite colour, actually. And the Americans seem to love green, don't they?
They do.
Yeah. Yeah, these fuselage designed C-body Chryslers, fantastic. I've actually got a 1970 Chrysler 300, same body basically as this car. Had it for a long time. In fact, I bought it off Brian years ago, 440. So I guess it's a sister car to this one, but yeah, it's beautiful, this thing. Really nice. We got Brian to show us the engine as well. And as you could tell, it's got good acceleration. Okay, Brian, show us the plant. Yeah. Got to remember where the bonnet catch is.
Too many different cars.
Yeah, I know. What a problem to have. Oh yeah, that looks great. Super Commando. Does that mean you don't wear underpants when you drive
No,
it?
you don't need to. It's a Superman car.
That's cool. What's the story? What's the output of this engine?
I don't know how much it's actually making, but it's definitely been hopped up. It's got 10-to-1 compression. It's got alloy heads. It's got an Edelbrock Performer intake. It's got a...
All right. It looks all stock though, which is good.
Yeah, it's got an 850 Edelbrock AVS2. It's got extractors, 3-inch exhaust.
Wow.
This is not stock.
So what was it originally when it was came out of the factory? What was it?
350 horse was the
350.
original.
Okay. Yep.
And the weird thing with this model,
Yeah.
only 1970, you could get a 350 horse 440, which is your regular 350,
Yeah.
or you could get a 6-barrel.
Oh.
So you get
wow.
a 350 horse, or you get a 6-barrel 395 horse.
Wow.
But you couldn't get...
That'd be rare, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would be. But you couldn't get the Super Commando, which was a 375 horse, equivalent to the Magnum engine in Dodge.
Right.
For some reason, it went from just a regular
Oh,
350 or a 6-barrel engine.
Yeah, yeah.
Really
so
weird.
this is what you've kind of made a Super Commando.
No, yeah, well, that's right. That's a Super
Yeah,
Commando equivalent.
yeah,
Well, that's actually hotter than
Probably more so, yeah.
Yeah, it's probably making about 450, I reckon.
Yeah, right. Yeah, terrific. Beautiful.
So,
All right, so this exhaust, Brian was saying it's unique to the Sport Fury with that,
GT.
the GT, the 4 rectangular exhaust. Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, that.
Oh. So the gator grain top actually is on the option tag. So this actually came out with the gator
Came
grain
with
top.
the car.
So pretty unique. That would make this car very low production.
Yeah, yeah. For sure. I love it.
Yeah.
It just rides and drives so well, you know.
Yeah, it's a good. It's got a bit of everything, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Luxury, but also a bit of performance.
Yeah. That's terrific.
It looks like a big muscle car.
Yeah. Okay, so thanks very much, Brian. Love the Sport Fury GT.
Yep.
And 1970, isn't it?
Yep.
70 model. So please give the episode a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to subscribe to Brian's channel as well, Brian's Roadrunner Garage.
Very good, yes, thank you.
Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.